Hello students, good morning once again. Today again I am here to continue as part of this chapter. Chapter number 11, If I Were You. As we know that Intruder and Gerard both are talking with each other. Intruder forcing Gerard to give answer of his questions, whatever question he is asking. But Gerard is still very smart one and he don't want to give the answer of his questions directly, and due to that Intruder just giving him warning, if he will not give answer he may suffer from injury and he may fire on him. So let us start the what situation next taking place here. Intruder, that's better. Do people often come out here? As Gerard told his name. His name is Vincent Char. He is living in this cottage. Still more inquiries which this intruder wants to get. He asks next that do people often come out here? People which those generally coming in this cottage, he wants to know about them. Actually, he is offended. He is very cautious about his activities, so he wants to make himself sure that there will be no any threat for him. So he asks, is there any people who coming always here? So there are very rarely, surprisingly few people take the trouble to visit me. Very rarely people come here. Some people take trouble to visit sometimes, but here regularly no one is coming, and those are coming regularly in this cottage. There are the baker and the greengrocer, of course, and then there are there's the milkman. There he tells to Intruder that one baker who supplies bread or something like that, one greengrocer and vegetable seller, and one person who generally comes here, that is milkman, and quite charming, but no one so interesting as himself. Even these are the people, those generally come here, but no one is as much as interested as yourself. You asking so many questions, making inquiries, but no one interested, having interest in this matter as you asking about them. See that, Intruder, I happen to know that you never see tradespeople. I don't want to know. I don't want to see someone who is really a tradesman or business person or merchant who usually come in your cottage. Here, see the Gerard, you seem to have taken so considerable amount of trouble. You are looking just like you have taken too much trouble to get information regarding me, about myself. And you see, since you know so much about me, you know a lot of things about me, you have collected a lot of information, how many cars I have and where I am living, and lot of things that you have collected. But see that since you know that so much trouble you have taken, won't you say something about yourself? Gerard also wants to know something about Intruder. Intruder showing himself that he is one of the most smart person. He having one pistol and just threatening Gerard to give all the answer of his questions, and this way till now he didn't disclose anything about himself. That's why Gerard asking, you have got lot of information about me, but till now you have not given a single answer or single information regarding yourself. You see that about yourself you have been so modest, you are now so soft in this way. You see, intruder, I will tell you flatly, you think you are smart. Correct? I can tell you lot of information, but you think that you are smart, but I am more smarter than you. See that smart, but I am the top of this class around here. I am the top of, maybe I am the most intelligent and most smart than you. And see, I have got brain and I use them. I especially have got brain. He is praising himself. I am more smarter than you. I have got special brain which I use this brain to do my business or maybe to ask something. See that I have got where I have, and that this is the reason I am here wherever I want to go, and that due to my brain, due to my intelligence, due to my smartness, I am now maybe the successful one or in this regard or reaching to this cottage. So I have Gerard, and where the precisely have you got, from where you have got this type of precious things which you have, that is brain. I didn't require a great brain to break into, and you have entered without permission into my cottage. Gerard says, I don't think somebody need a great brain to enter someone's house. That is the thing. So I don't want this type of the brain to break into my little cottage. Here intruder, when you know why I have broken into your little, he says to Gerard, if you will know why I have entered in your cottage, in your small cottage, you will be very surprised, and you will be surprised and won't be pleasant, and this surprise will not be so pleasant, and this news will not be happy for you. So this is the thing that he is given, that this intruder who is forcibly trying to get the answer of his question, actually he wants to get identity of Gerard after killing him. His intention is not good. He is here to get all the information about his behavior, about his relationship, as well as that his appearance, and generally what he does during the day and his all the business activities, and after that he wants to kill him. This is the thing, that's why he is forcing him to say everything, whatever he just intruder wants to know. So this much is there. Okay, now again this Gerard asks questions. With you figuring, as you know, trying to know about myself. So largely it is in it that is understandable. You figuring to trying to know that things about me. So largely in it that is understandable. He can understand the situation, why are you so interested in me. But the way, what particular line of crime do you embrace? He asks, what is your business? Which line of crime generally do you have? And or aren't you a specialist? Asking, are you a specialist in that specific business or in specific crime? What particular line of crime do you embrace? He's asking which type of crime as a part of your business you do. So this is the thing. Are you specialist or not? Intruder myself specialist sees jewel robbery. He says, especially my business is jewel robbery. I am robber and I am specialist in jewel robbery. Your car will be a treat and your car will help me in this business. It's certainly a dandy bus. It is a very comfortable car. It will help me to do my business. See that Gerard, I am afraid jewels are few. Gerard says that I am very surprised here or afraid that in my area, in this area, very less jewels are there and see that for between in the wilds of SS, this is the wild area, forest area, and in this forest area of SS, there are very few people, those doing this business of jewelry. See that intruders, so are the cops. He wants to know about the police and in that area whether they come or not. I can retire here nicely for a little while. He says, I want to take rest in your quarters for a little while, for a short period of time. He wants to take rest here. And Gerard, you live with me. Gerard want to make it sure whether he want to live with him or not. So he asked question. So you mean to live with me? It means that you are here to live with me, stay with me. See, a triple sudden isn't you have not been invited, and this is a really very triple. That is the same for us. It's a very small thing. Here intruder again wants to know whether some cops, some policemen come here or not. So he wants to make sure that this place is very safe for him. So he tells Gerard that he wants to retire here, he wants to take rest in his quarters and nicely for the little while. Here see the Gerard thinking that you live with me. Gerard suspects whether he want to live here, why he has come here. So a triple sudden isn't. Gerard further says, I have not invited you to stay with me here. Intruder, you won't be here long. Intruder says, you have not invited, it's okay, but you will not remain long for here in this cottage, and this is a surprise for you. So I didn't trouble to ask. That's why I didn't take any trouble. I didn't worry about to make inquiry whether I can stay here or not. I am here to kill you. See that, Gerard, what do you mean? What do you mean by saying this? If you want say like this, what is your meaning? Intruder, this is your big surprise. This is a surprise I want to give and this one I am going to kill, and finally I am going to kill you